Hello, my dear viewers. I'm thrilled to have you here today as we delve into a fascinating topic, the Shiva worship of Allah, and I'll be providing you with proof of this ancient belief. Did you know that Shiva, the Hindu god, is actually a representation of Allah? Yes, you heard it right. While Shiva is often portrayed as a deity in Hindu mythology, he is actually an embodiment of Allah. Now, let's dive into some intriguing proof that backs this up. One such proof is etymological. The very word Shiva itself derives from the Sanskrit root Shivaya, which literally translates to the One. This points to the worship of only one supreme god. Another piece of evidence is found in the Shiva Purana, where it's mentioned that Lord Shiva himself stated that there is only one god and he alone should be worshipped. Additionally, in the Gita verse 7:19, Lord Krishna emphasizes this same point. So, there you have it. The Shiva worship of Allah is not just a belief, but a deeply rooted ancient tradition. I hope this insight into our shared faith has been enlightening for both our Hindu and Muslim viewers. Before we wrap up for today, I want to express my gratitude for joining me in this journey of understanding our shared religion and belief system. Your support means the world to me. If you found this video engaging and beneficial, do give it a thumbs up and remember to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future content. Stay tuned for more fascinating discussions on diverse topics in the coming days. Until next time, take care and stay blessed.